In this video, we will learn how to record purchases. As a business owner, the new stock must be recorded whenever a purchase is made to update the cash balance and inventory level. There are two ways we can record purchases on the software: entering the purchase details manually or importing them using the Excel spreadsheet. To register purchases manually, we need to go into the Purchases section. Here you should click on Add Purchase, then a new Add Purchase page will be loaded in front of you. In this new window, firstly, we input the supplier's name and the purchase status. The status can be received, pending, or ordered. We also need to input the payment terms. The reason is some purchases are made on credit, so we need to state the number of days or months the payment will be due to your supplier. This is because we will get a reminder before the expected date so the due payments can be made. We don't need to worry about the reference number as this auto-generates. You can also attach an additional document by clicking on the Browse button. The next thing is to input the product name, the quantity purchased and the cost. For that, click on Add New Product, then a new window will pop up. Enter the product name, unit, and at the bottom of the page, put the purchase price and margin percentage. Then click on Save. Now you can enter the purchase quantity, unit cost, before discount, etc., as you want. Once all this is done, we go to the bottom part of the page and input the payment date and payment method. There are several methods we can make payments, such as cash, bank transfer, or check. Once this is done, we hit the Save button, and our records are automatically updated. The other way to record purchases is by downloading the spreadsheet. For that, click on Import Product. Then download the template file. Open the downloaded spreadsheet. Enter the required details in that file, then save it and import it. Finally, click on the Import button. In this way, you can easily add purchases record to that software. If you liked our video, please share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.